how to change your weather belt strip on your 2007 to 2014 Yukon, Yukon XL, Sierra, Tahoe, Suburban, and Avalanche. I am Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. I'm going to change out the weather belt strip on my 2007 Yukon. This could also be called just window molding or glass sweep molding. So let's get right to it. You don't need any tools to do this job. The only thing that I suggest is that you roll the window down so you can grip the weather strip easier. So I'm just going to grab it, pull up, and slide it out. I have a new one in the box. And all you have to do is put it here. It needs to slide behind the mirror. Once it's behind the mirror, just take it and push it down right here. Little tap, and this job is done. I want to say thank you very much for watching the video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again.